So her lawyer asked her, how come the first one died of eating contaminated mushrooms? The second one, contaminated mushrooms. How come the third died of a cracked skull? She said, because he refused to eat the mushrooms. Allow me to invite my brother Reggie to come and address us. Don't feed anybody with contaminated mushrooms, and don't crack anybody's skull.
Your Excellency, we want to request the Speaker of the National Assembly, very respectively, not to incite our women who have insurances to get funny ideas. Because I don't know how appropriate that speech was all about. Luckily for me, mine is a pastor. I don't think she can be incited. We are happy to be here. And for those probably who doubt my faith, because I don't have a baptism name, I was actually baptized. My name's Geoffrey. It's only along the way, when I was Geoffrey, I was an administrator to rule over people. When I decided in life to change my job description to serve the people, I needed to change the name so that I have a change of identity in my new job description. And for you to know that I'm really a Christian, you have the evidence I'm married to a pastor.